Now viewers, let's get a quick update on markets. Bank Nifty has hit a new record high of 48,996 today. Nifty Metal has climbed 1.80% to touch a record high of 9,054.75. Let's cut across to Rajat from our business desk to know more. Over to you, Rajat. Right, we seem to have lost that connection, but a quick update viewers on the markets. Bank Nifty has hit a record new high of 48,996. Nifty Metal has climbed 1.80% to touch a record high of 9,054.75. Now, this is the latest that is happening in the world of business. We are trying to connect you to our colleague from our business desk to give us the latest updates happening in the business world. The latest that has just come in, the latest on the update on markets is that Bank Nifty has hit a new record high of 48,996 today. Rajat has joined us now. Over to you, Rajat. Give us the latest details happening in the business world.
As expected, we spoke in the morning as well. Indian benchmark indices opened in the green on Wednesday, led by robust expectation of a positive showing by companies in the Q4 earnings season. Indian shares have opened higher and continue to trade on a bullish note during early trade. This comes despite a subdued performance among Asian peers, including Japan's Nikkei, that has slipped ahead of US inflation. Sensex has climbed up as much as 300 points to reach an intraday high of 74,983.34. Nifty up 84.5 points at an intraday high of 22,727.25. Bank Nifty has hit a new record high of 48,996 at 11:15 a.m. on April 10. It is expected to remain range bound with a bullish undertone in today's weekly expiry. On the other hand, Nifty Metal has also climbed 1.80% to touch a record high of 9,054.75 during early trade on Wednesday, on expectation of a demand rebound on the back of a strong manufacturing data from United States and China, as also the recovery that is happening in the Chinese economy that is also fueling this growth. The surge in the metal index was led by Vedanta, Tata Steel and Hindalco. The metal index has risen 9.3% in April so far, outperforming the 1.7% in the benchmark index data showed manufacturing growth in China. On the other hand, Nifty Oil and Gas and Nifty Energy rose 1.8% and 1.2% respectively, led by a 1.3% gain in Reliance Industry. So in nutshell, the market is responding the way we discussed in the morning and is cautious and is factoring in the impact and is tightly sitting, waiting and watching to see the US inflation number, which is due today. Also tomorrow, the CPI inflation number for India is supposed to come along with the index of industrial production. European Central Bank is also supposed to meet this week to decide on the interest rate trajectory, and US inflation data that will be coming today will pave the way for the future interest rate. That is going to have a major impact on the global markets across the world. So today we will have to wait for US inflation data and see how this US inflation data, which is expected to come in at 3.4%, which is higher than 3.2% that came in February, how that's impact the stock market.
Thank you, Rajat, for getting us those comprehensive details on the market. Now we are shifting focus to other news. Prime Minister Modi has taken a swipe at DMK while addressing a rally in Tamil Nadu's Vellore during his campaign trail. Prime Minister Modi